Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making moussaka. You're going to need 8 to 10 potatoes, 2 large onions, 600 grams, 2 pounds ground beef, 1 cup beef broth, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 cup tomato paste, 3 tablespoon flour, 2 eggs, and 1 cup grated cheese, mozzarella. We're going to start by heating up 2 tablespoons of oil, add onions, and cook them until they're golden brown. Add garlic, add tablespoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon pepper, add 2 pounds of ground beef, Before you add tomato paste, make sure ground beef is well cooked. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Mix it well before you add flour. After everything is cooked, set it aside and let it cool down. Oil the bottom of the dish well so the potato don't stick to the bottom. After the sauce is cooled down, add 2 eggs. Now we can start cutting the potatoes. If your potatoes have thick skin, make sure you peel it before you cut it. If it's like mine with the thin skin, you can just wash it before you cut it. Slice the potatoes very thin and start putting them in a dish. And you can keep cutting potatoes as you need them. Once you cover bottom of the dish with the potatoes first layer, start spreading the ground beef. It will take about 10 spoons to cover the whole area. Repeat the steps 2 to 3 times, depends how much ground beef you still have. Once you put the last layer of ground beef, cover with the potato again. Then cover with mozzarella cheese. And then Parmesan cheese. Cover the dish with the foil and bake it at 360 for about 60 minutes, and then take the foil off and bake it for another 15 minutes at the same temperature. Moussaka is ready to be served. Enjoy! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.